Shock. SABC anchor Peter Ndoro kills off Cyril Ramaphosa. Just weeks after killing off Mangosuthu Buthelezi in a live TV slip-up, SABC anchor Peter Ndoro has once again messed up, declaring President Cyril Ramaphosa has dead. On the same day that Ramaphosa was being sworn in as president of the country, Peter commented on the passing of Zimbabwean opposition leader Morgan Tsvangirai and mistakenly referred to him as Ramaphosa. Peter has yet to comment on the error but was the talk of social media after the slip-up. Twitter users flooded social media to post their thoughts, and jokes, on the mistake.